What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my armor. I run armor so much. Got my Redcat Machete 6S. Yeah, I ain't ran this in a while, and I'm like sitting there looking all pretty and stuff. Like, let me run my machete today. Machete is smooth. I'm only running it on 5S today. I'm not doing 6. I might as well did 6. Yeah, this thing is a beast. And the machete's been pretty good to me. I haven't had any breaks on this. Oh, well, yeah, I did. I had I did have some breaks on. I had one break. Had one break, and that was the arm in the front. Okay, what you say about it? Car hasn't given me no issues. None. Haven't had overheating, had nothing. I just bought the y'all know I just bought the Mojave 6S, I mean 4S, the new one, having problems already. But I got that video coming up. I'll show you all that, even though I left my controller home. Yeah, that tire seemed like we was about to have a problem there. Oh yeah, this thing is a beast. I don't feel like pushing everything. Beast. I bought a few different cars. I bought the Suga, the newest cars, the Suga, and the Mojave, and the new Outcast RTR 8S EXB. But I bought this before all of them, and it's the only one that still is on point. I don't have a problem with it whatsoever. I think they might be coming in here. Boom! Thing is a beast. Yeah, she done. That battery is dead. Yeah, that's the only downfall with the machete. The battery options are limited. Like, I was going to run it on 4S. I was going to put this in here, but I can't. It ain't going to fit. That was an awesome badge, though. I wasn't even halfway done. But as always, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. and I'm out.